Follow the same step, cut this like this. And when you're cutting, you have to, be very careful so that you don't cut it hard and get to your leather or fabric. Okay, just be very careful. You see how I'm cutting it gradually with the cutter. So this is what I have. I'll have it this way. Okay, cut. At this point, I will take my scissors, to cut this a little bit so that it will lap by the time we are done with the bag. If you don't do it like this, it means the flip cover maybe it will be hard, to relax on the, to lock well. So always do it this way. Always trim it a little bit. You see the way it is now, it's open. So by the time I fold, I don't have to struggle with it. Okay, so first thing first, I have this 8 inches by 2 inches. I'm going to sew it, as a strap or hand holder. The little short strap I need to make to hold the hand. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it this way. You already know how to sew this. As I'm sewing, I'll try to make sure I sew at the tip because I'm going to fold it again. I'm going to hold it. So I have it made. I will share it into 2 equal parts. That's 4 inches. So that by the time I fold it again, I will have 2 inches left. Then I'll pick my D-ring, pass it in this way, and sew it to the side I want the hand to be. Now there are 2 places you may want your hand to be on beauty bag. You may want it to be here at the hand holder section. You could fix it this way, okay, and you could fix it at the side this way. This is the side panel. And you could also use your puncher to create a hole for an eyelet here, the one sizable to the chain. Okay, but for this I want to fix the hand here. We already have the hand holder section. You saw the 2 inches we cut, so I'll make sure this is well placed at the center of it this way. Okay, you can use a little gum to hold it and place the other one the other side too. Okay, so don't forget to place it this way with your gum. Hold it down for you that is starting, but for me, so when it's well placed like this, you can now place your lining this way. Okay, make sure it's well aligned. You place it this way, then start your sewing from one point. You just have to start after this second cut. I hope you're seeing it. After the hand holder section, just like this, but you have to make sure it's well placed on the front, on the main body panel. Put it in and start your sewing. So when you get to where the hand holder is, you make a back stitches so that it will be more firm. And as you're sewing, make sure you're sewing at it. I believe you're seeing my sewing. The space here is not much to come up like that. Okay, and this is more firm because I made a back stitch. And again, you also need to push it in very well so that it doesn't really show much. Okay, so you continue like that, follow it the way it is until you've sewn this round. Okay, Oh, I almost skipped the fancy I wanted to fix on this. Okay, so before sewing down the lining, okay, let me remove it and show you so that you understand. Before sewing your lining, you fold this into 2 equal parts, get your center here, and place any of the logo or lining you want to fix. Okay, so I would like to fix this GG logo on it. We place it this way. Make sure it's well positioned at the center. Then it has holes on the area, and fix it in. You pass it in, you use your pointer or anything at all, even your hand, to press it down. Try to stick this way, and this is it. Then continue your sewing.